Hello and welcome to my channel once again. Today I shall obtain the half range sine series for the function ft is equal to t minus t square and the interval is 0 to 1. So this is half range sine series. So I have to only find bn because an and a0 I don't need to find half range sine series. So here bn can be defined. Suppose we have one function say fx, then for half range sine series we can and it is defined in the range of say 0 to x to c. So for half range series we can define bn as fx sine n pi x by c dx, and if we have fx in the interval of suppose 0 to x to pi, then we have to get the bn value like this: 0 to pi fx sine nx dx. So let's try here to find bn. So here our bn would be 2 by 1 because you can see that this is the interval 0 to 1. So I am writing this 1 and the integration would be 0 to 1 ft is t minus t square and it would be sine n pi t by 1, so just n pi t, that is 0 to 1 t sine n pi t. I can put this inside the bracket dt minus of 0 to 1 t square sine n pi t dt. So integration by parts, two integrations are there. So differentiation, integration, alternative plus and minus signs. So first function is t and sine n pi t. So derivative would be 1 and it would be integration of sine n pi t would be cos minus cos n pi t divided by n pi. And if we find the integration for this function, this thing, then we have to write d I plus minus plus minus. So here t square sine n pi t, so it would be 2t minus cos of n pi t by n pi, then it would be 2 and it would be minus of sine n pi t divided by n square by square, and ultimately we are getting the derivative of 2 which is 0. So an integration of minus sine n pi t divided by n square by square would be, so I have to write the positive sign, so cos n pi t divided by n cube pi cube. And I have used this differentiation technique so many times, so you can find it in my videos where I have told you how to get this thing. So if you don't understand this process, please check out my other videos or earlier videos on Fourier series, it would be helpful. So for that you must subscribe my channel, and I have uploaded all the Fourier series related videos in physics classes, and I have newly made one playlist called Fourier series, you can check that also. So I will write it. So for this first integration I am getting minus cos t times minus cos n pi t by n pi, and then it would be positive sine n pi t divided by n square pi square, and the limit would be 0 to 1. Fine. Now let's go for the second integration. It would produce, I am taking out the minus symbol here, so I can write, so minus t square cos of n pi t divided by n pi plus 2t sine n pi t divided by n square pi square, and plus 2 cos n pi t divided by n cube pi cube. So let's get the values. So for 1, this upper limit, I am writing cos n pi divided by n pi, and sin n pi is 0, so I am not writing that. And if we use this lower limit, you can see both of the terms will vanish because t will be 0 here, so 0 times cos 0 would be 0 and sin 0 is 0, so just one term. And for this I am writing, say let's take the plus symbol, and again t square is 1, so cos n pi divided by n pi, and if I use that lower limit 0, then this term also will be 0, so no need to write that, and it would be minus 2 sin n pi, so it would be also 0 sin n pi, so I am not writing that again. So next term is 2 cos n pi t, so it would be minus 2 cos n pi by n cube pi cube, and look that this time will give some value for 0, so I am writing, this would be positive symbol, so 2 n cube by pi cube, because cos 0 is 0, so ultimately these terms will cancel, and I can write pi 4 divided by n cube pi cube, and it would be 1 minus 1 whole to the power n, as cos n pi is minus 1 whole to the power n. So our Bn is this term. Look that this term will not be 0 if and only if n is an odd number. For even number, this term will vanish. So I have obtained Bn, and as I have mentioned that Bn will vanish, it will be 0 when n would be an even number, and when n is an odd number we will get Bn values. So B2, B4, B6 all are equal to 0, and B1, B2, B1, B3, B5, this will have certain values. So let's write t minus t square, which is equal to 8 by pi cube sine pi t by 1 cube plus sine 3 pi t by 3 cube plus sine 5 pi t by 5 cube, and so on. So you can see this is our result. I have obtained the half range sine series for the function ft is equal to t minus t square. Hope you have understood the problem. If you have liked the problem, if you have been benefited from this video, please do subscribe my channel and give me a big thumbs up. That will obviously inspire me, and share this video with your friends, and stay tuned with my channel. Thanks a lot.